Hey, beautiful people. Hope y'all are having a marvelous day. TronChain came out yesterday, I believe. Yeah, I believe it was yesterday. I jumped in yesterday. Um, we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I like some fast payment ones, and then I like these slow payment ones. This particular one is a very slow repayment. It is 1% a day. So you're not going to get rich quick. You're not going to be buying some Lambo somewhere. Maybe if you are in this thing for like 40 years, then you may be able to afford a Lambo. This is just making a little bit of money every day. That's the goal. Just add more coming into my wallet every day and not have something sitting and not doing anything. Alright? 1% per day. So that means 3.5 months from today is when you'll finally ROI. So keep that in mind as you're going through this one. Alright? 3.5 months before you ROI. If you can't wait that long, don't even do it. There ain't no reason to. I ain't got nothing but time. So, basically, joining is easy. You should just connect your Tron wallet up here. I don't even know if you can put how much you want in here. Nope. So they have set default amounts. You have to click the button to get it to add. So if you click 100K, if I didn't jack it up, yeah, there's the 100K. If you click 1,000, it adds 1,000, 10, 30, 50, and 100. So you can hit reset if you really messed up. And you hit like 100, like 5 times, and you're not willing to put 500,000 Tron in here, you can just hit reset and put 100 in. Then all you gotta do is hit join, and it will take the Tron from your wallet, put it into the contract, and your countdown timer will start. I'll show that below. Here's the link to the contract address. I believe we'll check it here in a minute. That's total deposits, the balance, withdrawn by members. In the daily pool, I have no idea what that is. Daily pool draw, I don't know. I'm not the smartest at these, I just like making money. So maximum amount from top refer, and who I was referred by. So that's my address. It does have the next income, I believe. I don't know. I don't want to say that. This may be a one-time enter only thing. I don't know. So if anything, you create another Tron address and use that. But this is how many hours I have till my next income. I deposited, I'm assuming 2,400 because I got 24 coins. So I need to change that on my spreadsheet. I put 2,600. So we're gonna go ahead and withdraw. We'll do the little pop-up. Hit accept. Alright. So I max out at 310%. So all I can get is 7,416 more Tron out of this contract. So it can run for a full year off this deposit. So keep that in mind. Yeah, there's my statistics. Deposited 2,400. I've got 24 out. So I have no referrals, no invited partners, none of any of that. There's 218 people in the community. in the contract. Let's take a look at the contract. There is 5.3 million Tron in this contract in 24 hours. So it's been about 26 hours. Look at the contract. Solidity 510. It's a newer version. Most people are still trying to code on the 4.6 or 4.10. Does have an admin fee. The main thing I try to look for, there's the admin fee address. The main things I look for, or anything that say owner, like right there it says private, which is the owner, and it's no upline for the owner. So basically, nothing looks horrendous right off bat. Draw pool. Deposit payouts. Direct payout. Pool payouts. Match payouts. So one of the other things I like to look at is on the read contract, read part of the contract, you should be able to do, here let me grab my address. Come on. So user info, I should be able to put my Tron address in here. Oh, I gotta connect first. Why didn't it? Did it reset me? Link wallet, Tron link. Alright. Alright. Payout of users, cycles. So they can call the admin fee when they want. See if this is the one I'm looking for. Nope. Maybe they don't have that option on this one. So there's the deposit, withdrawal. So you should just be able to hit send to withdraw, and it will withdraw whatever is in the unwithdrawn income. So I like to make sure the contracts have this ability, just in case the website goes down for some reason, they start getting DDoS beyond all reason. I could still come over here to the contract and pull out my coins without really worrying about it. So I'll have my link to this below if you want to join. Again, this is going to be a long time. You're talking 1% a day. So I went in with 2,400, which I don't even know. Let's see what 2,400 is. 2,400 is I went in with 50 bucks. So I am perfectly fine losing that. I know I'm not getting it back for at least 101 days, so I'm good with it. If you're perfectly fine losing whatever amount you want to put in, and you know it's not going to come back for 100+ days, or they could just close it all down and strip everything out of the contract. Jump in. But remember, it's always up to you. Your choices. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, what I care about, how I make a little extra Tron every day. So, y'all have a wonderful day. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. I try to put videos out every day and try to help everybody out as best as I can. If y'all have any questions, hit me up on the Discord. Leave a comment below and I'll try to get to the comments as best I can. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.